right, so it is. We've got some garlic. We're gonna grate some garlic inside of it like this. 3 cloves of garlic. We didn't want to boil it like that, guys, so long, but it's already done gone through. So just gonna have to just make it go and run. To eat. The reason why it comes so quick because of hot water. I'm using hot water inside of it. Alright. Yeah. Use hot water too. Alright. Heroes, welcome back in the club, Heroes, man. Long time, man. Channel star. Heroes are going with a bag of things this evening. Drop me $500 now, let me buy some more rosemary tea. Craig, what's going on? These are all of my members online this evening. Thank you so many thanks for that wonderful tea blessing. Thank you so much. All right, yeah. What is good for dry eyes? Okay, dry eyes. Well, dry eyes, there is a specific thing in the pharmacy which I know very good for dry eyes, because there's a lot of people have dry eyes. I only recommended you to say drink a cup of garlic tea is gonna help you with your dry eye. No. Okay. The most important thing that if you speak to your doctor or eye professional, I know that there are something back in the days I used to buy for someone for dry eye in the pharmacy, and it used to help them really well. Yeah, so I recommended you to check it out. Check it out in the pharmacy. This Heroes, what's going on with you now, man? You know what I mean? Welcome back, man. Because you disappeared, I wonder if Elon Musk will take you away for a fair period of time. But welcome back on the show. I appreciate you coming. Come share the love. And, you know what I mean, we have to talk. Now, this evening, I was talking about earlier this evening about sorry, guys. Sorry, let's cover it for a little bit and let it draw. Now, this evening, I was speaking about black man. There's a wake-up call. If you're a black man, there's a wake-up call for you. I don't know where you're from. If you're in Jamaica, US, Canada, England, Caribbean, wherever you are, if you're up in this space with Elon Musk for a little bit of time, and you're coming back down soon, I beg you, please go and see your doctor and do a checkup. Age over 45 to 55, 65, go up. Now, if you are smoking, or if you are drinking, and if you keep eating a lot of meat, I recommended you to cut down on those things. Now, ladies have a responsibility. All of the ladies them who are listening to me, do not play blind on this message which I'm delivering to you today. It is a very important message, and the message is tell your husband that Chef Ricardo say you must go to the doctor and get yourself checked up. Okay? Very important message. I'm going to tell you something, guys. Every day I've been hearing this thing, and it is a very important thing. Prostate cancer is a very serious thing for black man, even myself too. Okay? So, do not take this thing lightly. Okay? Do not take it lightly. It is very important. All right? So, all of the man them who working very hard, trying to save up money for retirement stage or whatever you're trying to do, one of the most important thing you could ever do right now, spend some time and go and see your doctor. Get some checkup and make sure you are on the right track. All right? Jen, big up yourself. What's going on now? None above. I do work for me. 5:30 p.m. Greetings. Blessed from Kingston, Jamaica. Great. Big up yourself, man. Nice to see you coming on the show this evening. I really appreciate it. Sharing the love. Jen is in the building. She's a pilot. You know? Yeah. So, that's the message this evening. I will be doing a topic on it. Wake up call for black man. I will be doing that video very soon to share the love with my black community, because nobody now speak up about these things. Remember a couple of weeks ago when I was talking about these things and the topic over and over and over, but some people might listen, some people not hearing. So I just want to make sure that, because someone will listen to their wife or to their girlfriend. So if you're hearing the voice of Chef Ricardo this evening, don't play it, please. Do one favor. See your doctor and get a checkup, okay? All right. Remember to get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success, okay? Get yourself a copy of the book and support Chef Ricardo cooking. All right, ladies, time for you to start to exercise and stop sitting down in the front room and drinking coffee and watch them American program. Okay, do some exercise in the morning and get some buckle water, lift up, or do some work in the back garden, because it is summer. Take off your shoes and walk on the dirt. It's very good for the immune system and all of them things there. Esther Delicious plant flowers and everything at the yard and all sort of stuff. Okay, so all of the ladies them who lock up in the house and watch TV program right straight through the day, red flag. Get up and go outside and get some fresh air, and you know what I mean, do something in the back garden if you have one. If you don't have one, do some exercise. 15 minutes workout in the morning and 15 minutes workout in the evening to help with your immune system at home. Do a 10 push-up or a 5 push-up. Yeah. Jen says she do 50 push-up every day. All right, Jen, you're doing well. Good vibes. I am in sleep, no exercise. Stay on my moon. Okay. Jen do 50 push-up every day. Eros, what's going on? Are you disappear already off of the planet? Jen, you're cracking me up in the day, man. Bless you. Anyway, you're one of my biggest supporters here. A good vibes. Esther Delicious, I don't know how much push-up she do. Alright. We're getting all of you guys back into track for the summer, because summer is around the corner. A lot of barbecue. Good evening, Chef Ricardo. Good evening to you. I love your accent. Okay, thank you so much, man. It's a Jamaican one, that's why. Jamaican accent is Patwiner. But some Jamaicans speak good English, and some speak a different kind. I don't know if I'm right. You get what I mean? But yeah. All right, let me see. Herb is 100% reasons from that research why most people are, I think, because of the, okay. DG, thank you so much. All right. Yeah. I was in, okay. A good vibes for a month. Which part of Spain did you go? Let me know. Where you go? Beneden? Or you go Casablanca? Spend off all of the money over there. Yeah, man. You got a right place that. Yeah. I need to go over there. I need to go and get some sun. All right. Good vibes. You are right. Thank you so much for the green light. Beautiful people. Let's look at the tea. All right. Yeah, man. This is the rosemary. All right. Rosemary and what else? Rosemary and power. What's going on now? Thank you so much for coming on the show this evening. Hope you guys can still hear me. All right. We're going to all right. Number one, we are not going to use any honey on this one tonight. We're gonna drink it naturally. All right, so here it is. We got rosemary, ginger, and garlic and cloves. Okay, and we get our cup, and that's it right here like this. You know what I mean? Oops, I think I put too much in it, but that's fine. Let's take off a little bit. That is amazing. Oh yes, people. That is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Now you can also get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. Now with this rosemary tea, you want to drink it in the morning is very good, and also in the evening before you go to bed, you can also drink it. All right, 100% effective. Very good for the immune system, and also very good for if you're suffering from your high blood pressure. Okay, a good vibes, people. Now, yes, so hold on the first, not looking really